process of making this and the way it's evolved and how it now is as a piece of storytelling theatre that you'd come and see is really unlike anything I've seen.
We've been very much in the environment, rehearsing and preparing material where the stories actually happened. So we've been visiting a lot of the sites, we've been working with other artists, visual artists, singers, and we have spent quite a lot of time at Uchaf on the Llŷn Peninsula.
It's one thing to go and rehearse and write music in your house. It's entirely different to drive forever to the end of the Llŷn Peninsula and then wake up in the morning and there's the end of the earth and the sea and this incredible sky and this incredible place, Uchaf, which has these beautiful old round houses with fires in the centre and then the smoke comes up. It's just incredible. It makes you work differently. The instruments sound different in the room. The place that you rehearse in becomes part of how you make the music.
We can just spend time in the landscape, work really hard, produce material and go that little bit deeper than we could otherwise.